we're showing in this system are all the different applications that are relevant for the material handling industry. So we have a belt conveyor, we have 2 elevators, and we have a roller conveyor. All those are driven by NORD's decentral drives. We have 2-stage high-efficient helicoidal gearboxes, and we have, for the small applications, worm boxes. And those again are driven by motor-mounted or by wall-mounted inverters. For the elevators, we have decentral starters. The roller conveyor is driven by a 2-stage helical bevel gearbox with a motor-mounted inverter. The inverter is the model SK180, which is typically used for horizontal conveying applications. For the belt conveyor, NORD is using a 2-stage helical bevel gearbox with a distributed drive, the distributed inverter SK200 in a wall-mounted application. The inverter has a positioning module which allows to stage the goods that are being conveyed without the goods making contact. For the elevator, NORD is using a 2-stage helical geared motor with absolute encoder. Again, we have a motor-mounted inverter, and the signals from the absolute encoder wire directly into the inverter. To dissipate the regenerative energy from the lifting and lowering application, NORD is using an internal braking resistor. For the conveyor in the elevator, NORD is using a worm geared motor with motor-mounted electronic starter. The starter is synchronizing the conveyor with the roller conveyor and also with the belt conveyor. The electronic starter allows a soft start of the conveyor and also allows reversing of the travel direction. NORD is offering the distributed drive in a modular system, motor-mounted inverters and starters, or wall-mounted inverters and starters. NORD will also provide the entire system with a distributed inverter, geared motor, and the needed cables for the connection.